What's up, guys? Adrian Amaral and
Bradlee Amaral
with 911 Gadgets, and we have Valerie Amaral over here too. She is shy. Hey, there she is. Today we're gonna show you how my 7-year-old fixes his own iPhone screen. Now this phone is just an iPhone X. Okay, now this phone is an iPhone X, iPhone 6, S-I-X, so it has an X in it. It's an iPhone 6. Show them your phone.
This is how cracked it is because I always drop it.
The camera has a little bit of a crack on it, right?
Every time I use it, this little, you know how this takes pictures? Like every time I take pictures, it's so blurry.
So, Bradlee, are you nervous?
I'm nervous that I might break my phone.
Well, you shouldn't be nervous. You know why?
Why?
Because you've done some work before. What have you done before?
I changed my battery.
That's right. Was that easy or was it hard?
Easy, but kind of hard.
Okay. So, this is his first time changing a screen, okay? But we're going to show you how easy it is to replace a screen on an iPhone. Most iPhones, actually all the iPhones are, I would say, the same in difficulty level. But yeah, so if you guys want to watch this video so you guys can see how easy it is, and maybe you guys can get motivated, you know, to make some extra money on the side. So hope you guys like it. Please like the video, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can see when we upload new videos when we upload new videos, and when I go live, so I can answer your questions regarding the cell phone repair industry and the business. Anything you want to tell them before you start?
Wish me luck, and let's get into it.
Here we have his iPhone 6 and an iPhone 6 screen. He's gonna go ahead and change it to a black one.
Well, we're gonna have the black screen, but we're gonna have a white home button.
Because you need to keep the original home button so that the fingerprint can still work. Alright, so you want to start with the bottom screws, so you need a pentalobe screwdriver, which is that green one right there. Do you want to show them your cool back lasered? Oh, it's already all scratched, but alright. Oh yeah, we kind of overdid it on stuff, but...
And he did this part backwards.
Yeah, I messed it up. Okay, do however you feel comfortable, go. And then spin it. Put pressure down. Pressure.
Right, what does the pressure do?
You have to put pressure so that the screw can come out.
Yeah, it's ready to come out, you see?
Go do it, yep. Okay, now you can take it out with your nails.
Oh boy.
It's out? Okay, put it next to the other one. Be careful with the blade, okay, not to cut yourself. Okay, now wedge it up. Up with your blade.
It's good.
Go like this, right? It's up. Put one finger in here like this. Actually, do your middle one. Like that. This right here. And with this, then you pull the screen back. You see that? Right here. Alright, so you're gonna lift it up, and what's the first thing you gotta disconnect?
Oh, you did.
Always. Number one rule is disconnect the battery. So with the battery, you need the Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so start with the battery, which is right there.
Right.
Remember to put pressure. With your fingernail, that's the battery connector. You can disconnect it, pop it open, or you can use a plastic pick, but never use metal. There you go, so get out of the way. Alright, now you unscrew the tops of these, and these are very important to keep in order, so
I do it like that, yeah.
That's good, like that.
Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide.
Oh, so you already have it all. And you remember how this is going? Oh, there you go. So now you can start disconnecting these. You don't need that right now. There you go. Is that all or is there more? Alright.
So you're gonna have to be careful of what you pick out because you could pick something out in accident and it could mess up the whole phone. So
Yeah, and then now you can take this one out of the box. All the little parts from here to here. Okay, and the home button as well. So let's go ahead and start with the home button.
Look, if you don't wanna change.
that's how the home button looks right there. That's it right there. I don't know why, but this goes like rainbow. See?
So go ahead and unplug the home button carefully with your nail. Carefully.
Plug it?
Unplug it.
How?
Like lift it, like the way you did the battery.
This?
The home button. Yeah, that one. But do it to, you see how it's like that way? Flip it to the left. Careful. Be very careful, Bradlee.
I did it.
Go to the camera.
As you can see, I lifted it from this.
Let it focus. It's not gonna focus. Okay, it's fine.
This. I push it, it's gone. So,
Careful not to tear it, okay? So grab it from the cable. Stick your finger all the way down into the cable. There you go. And grab it like this. Yeah, with your thumb. Grab it like that. There you go. Now pull it outward.
I feel
Okay.
like I'm breaking.
Okay, so let's heat it up a little bit.
So,
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Show the camera.
so I just, ooh, I almost dropped it. I just took the home button now. So, I'm gonna wait for my dad because I do not know.
Let me see. You wanna heat it up a little bit. Heat it up.
Okay. It just came off. So we're gonna put this right here. So, you see how it sits? That's a good sign. There, oh, yeah.
You see this blue little tape right there?
Yeah.
Get the tweezers and take it off.
I took it off so easily. Where did it go?
Okay. So you out of the way and then you go like this. So you put it in that hole. Okay?
Okay.
And then you can hold it like that, yeah.
Oh, it's in now.
Okay, hold it to the left. Okay, there you go. And just hold it from one side, from that side. There you
I have to
go.
go in these holes.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, now keep holding it with this finger.
Okay.
And then now, you grab this screwdriver. And then grab which screw are you gonna do first? The top left, the top right? Oh, keep holding it. You're gonna grab the top left, top right, or the bottom right? Which one's easier to do right now? Okay, hold it right there. And then, with this, pick up that bottom right one. Grab the screw. There you go. And then stick it in here, but still hold that, okay? Alright, bro! You're almost done. Let me see what it looks like. So you see how it looks nice and flush? Like it's nice and level?
Yeah.
That means you did everything right. Sometimes you don't put the sensors right. You know those two squares that kept popping out? It'll look like, this thing will look uneven. This thing will be like lifted. You did a good job. So there you go. You're almost done. The hardest part is done already. Alright, Bradlee. Let's talk to the camera a little bit. So far, how do you feel?
Happy.
But, is it harder than you thought?
Mm-hmm.
What's the hardest part so far?
Putting it back on the phone.
But
or the
putting
screen.
what? The home button or the speaker?
The speaker.
And the camera, huh? The front camera?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's continue. You're almost done. So now grab your phone. That's not your phone, that's your old screen. All right.
Okay.
And now you're gonna start plugging stuff in. So which one are you gonna plug in first?
Right. I'm gonna plug in first this one.
Yeah. Now you can put this screen, let it against there if you want. Bam. Now it's time to put that shield.
You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line. You know I'm wasted thinking about it. You got it right this time. Nothing is out of line.
All right. Now what do we got to do?
Put this one.
Yeah. Plug in the what?
This?
Mm-hmm. That's the battery. All right. Careful. Push in. Okay, try to just close it now with your fingers, both of them.
I got it.
You got it? Everything? What about the top? Did the top come out?
Yeah, it's good.
All right. Oh, put the bottom screws. Down, down. That's it. There you go. Now let's plug it in. Oh, you're gonna take that off? Okay. Reveal
It's gonna
the.
be satisfying, right?
You show the camera. There you go. Beautiful, bro.
Nice and clean.
All right. Let's trash this. Let's plug it in. Leave it right here in the middle. Put your tools away, always. That one goes there. This and yeah. And that goes there too. Now grab that gray one and plug it in. And let's show them that you know how to fix your phone. Because if it turns on, if it shows, then that means you did a good job. There you go. The phone's just turned on. I think he did a good job. I think he didn't mess anything up. Sometimes when you tear a cable or something, it'll get stuck in this Apple. Like I was saying with the screws, if you put it in the wrong hole, it won't even turn on anymore. But this one looks like it's about to boot. So there it is. His passcode is there. Put your passcode. So obviously his passcode worked. So go ahead and move around. All top, bottom. Up, down, slowly, high, slow. Da, 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 da. All right, good job. Let's check your front camera. That's the back one.
Okay.
All right, let's put it down. Yeah, it's working, right? Let's talk to the audience real quick. So, what do you want to tell them?
That if you think anything in your life that you think that's impossible, it's not impossible. You just have to keep on trying until you get it. And when you get it, you feel like, I don't know, you just feel good. Like if you did it.
All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Please, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you have any requests as to what to repair next, if you want to see Bradlee repair something else, let us know in the comments. If you want to learn more on how to open a cell phone repair business or how to fix phones, download our curriculum. It's a 5-day curriculum. I broke it down into 5 days. You guys get to keep the curriculum forever, as well as the Facebook group access. You get that forever, and that's 24/7. So go to 911gadgets.com/cellphone repair training. We'll be more than happy, and we're very, very excited to see you there in our Facebook group. Okay, so if you have any questions, let us know. You can also talk to us or text us at 951-399-7911. Anything else, Bradlee?
Have a nice day and peace.